Now, equation number 4. What is equation number 4? Area of triangle PQC. Area of triangle PQC equal to half into QC into PL. Which is the base of QC. Here is the base of QC. This is the QC base and having the height of QM. Having the height of PN. Sorry, having the height of PN. So, area of triangle PQC and having the base of QC and having the height of PN. Okay, so area of triangle PQC is equal to half into QC into PN. Okay, now next now I'm having 4 equations. Equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me do what I have to do with this all the 4 equations. Now what I want to prove is AP by PB. Where is AP? AP is there in equation number 1 and PB is there in equation number 2. So I am going to divide equation number 1 and 2. Divide equation number 1 by 2. So which is same as area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle BPQ equal to half into AP into QM divided by half into BP into QM. This is what I got it when I am dividing equation number 1 and 2. So I divided. So now I got half cancelled, QM cancelled. I am having here AP by PB. This is I am taking as equation number 5. Now I want to divide 3 by 4. Equation number 3 by 4. Let me divide equation number 3 by 4. So now which is the area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC equal to half into AQ into PN divided by half into QC into PN. Okay, now here half cancelled, PN cancel. I got it as AQ by QC. This I'll take it as equation number 6. Now when I am dividing equation number 1 and 2, I got LHS as area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle BPQ and RHS as AP by PB. Now 3 by 4. 3 by 4 which is same as again numerator is APQ and denominator is APPQC which is equal to AQ by QC. Now, Euclid's theorem, things which are equal to each other are equal to one another. I hope you are remembering that Euclid theorem in grade 9. So, now I want to see LHS and this both should be equal. That is what we have to prove now. AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. How these can be equal? These both are in the RHS. If LHS are equal, RHS can be equal. So that is our Euclid's theorem. Things which are equal to each other are equal to one another. So you see now we have to approach into it. We have to reach into that. Now how we can go to reach into it? Now let me see. Now equation number here, see APQ. In the both the case here in the numerator is APQ. So both APQ will get cancelled. This APQ cancel because numerators are same. Now what about the denominators? Denominator is triangle BPQ and triangle PQC. What about triangle BPQ and triangle PQC? What I said now, where is that both lies? Where is BPQ? Where BPQ lies? BPQ is BPQ and PQC. They are lying between the same parallels and they having the common base. Which is the common base over here? They are having the common base as PQ. So what is the property which we recollected? Their areas are equal. So what is the property which we recollected? So area of triangle BPQ equal to area of triangle PQC. So now I am cancelling these both also. So from this I conclude that here entire thing is here when I am cancelling I am getting as 1. So when I am getting equation number 1 is equal to AP by BP and equation number 1 is equal to AQ by QC. So when I am cancelling both the numerator and denominator, I cancel. I got it as when I am getting cancelling, it will become 1. Here also it become 1. So same thing. So it is things which are equal to each other are equal to one another. So AP by hence proved. So we proved our theorem as AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. So what are the things we recollected? We went to previous classrooms, which are the triangle we started with, then area of a triangle we started with, then we come into the ratio part, then we moved into the grade 9 topics, which are the topics the triangles having the common base and lies between the same parallels, their areas are equal. That is the next very important concept of this theorem. And the third one is the Euclid axioms, things which are equal to each other are equal to one another. With that, we are concluding our theorem as AP by BP is equal to AQ by QC. This theorem we call it as the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Thank you.